All right, let's do the little newspaper mock-up from my latest collection. This one's super simple, 2 smart objects, nothing crazy. I just want to show you a few tips when you're doing it. So first things first, there's an overlay grain just to make it a little bit more realistic looking. You can disable, enable if you want. And then we have a left side paper and a right side paper. So with this mock-up, you can see that this is like one full design, but still has to be separated to 2 different design. So what I would recommend doing when you double click, so like I said, double click on a little smart object, go to view and then show guides, and you'll see on that top part there I have a kind of the starting point for both of them. So if you go back and you go into this one, do the same thing, view, show guides, you'll see right there. So in the design, you'll notice here it's one full design. I lined it up in the middle, so that little middle mark right here is there. I lined it to the top, and then same thing for the left side. I lined it up. This one's kind of cropped. I lined it up to the top with the guides, whoops, and then I would save it. So what I would recommend is then zooming in, and then if you want to, you can grab that smart object, kind of move it over to open a new window like that. So then if you had to adjust it, so let's say you had it too far over, right? And it was like that. So you can kind of like move it, hit save. You can go move it up or down just to make sure the 2 of them align a little bit better for those 2 sides. So I'll put that back like so. Okay, the other option, obviously just doing separately, so I'll kind of show you that. It's very simple. And there you go, very simple. I would say the only thing, if you ever wanted to play with the, let me move that over, lighting on it, so you can kind of see this one here. We can kind of drop it to make it look more kind of printed, the opacity, completely up to you, but very simple, very easy, and have fun with it.